Welcome. Are you tired of buffering and lag during your favorite shows on IPTV? Let's dive right in. You've come across Real Debrid and wonder if it can really enhance your IPTV experience, right? Real Debrid claims to provide high-speed, unrestricted access to hosters, making streaming a breeze. But can this service truly reduce buffering or improve the quality of your IPTV streams? Our first step involves understanding how Real Debrid interfaces with IPTV platforms and streaming links. Real Debrid is like a bridge accessing premium server streams, but does that make a real difference? Many users report smoother streaming, but results might vary based on your IPTV provider and its sources. Setting up might seem daunting. However, the process can be simplified for even the tech novices. Link your IPTV app with Real Debrid. Navigate to Settings, click Debrid, and authenticate easily. Interestingly, it depends on server demand, sometimes leading to differences in perceived improvements. For a consistent experience, choosing renowned IPTV providers is crucial for reliable content delivery. Our recommendation: touted.store offers an exceptionally robust streaming experience with great user satisfaction. Combining Real Debrid with touted.store seemingly levels up your IPTV journey significantly. To optimize fully, ensure streaming sessions align with optimal internet conditions and peak times. So, is Real Debrid the magic ingredient for IPTV? Watchers report mixed yet mostly positive outcomes. Catch this secure deal at touted.store for stellar IPTV and streaming enhancement today.